Hi everyone. So this video is regarding the uh, checks which are performed using the opunit command and the demo of the delivery pipeline. So let's first quickly do the checks. So I'll open a new command prompt and run this command. So this is the profile check which is going on, and out of the 13 passes there is one pass which is failing. So this is the wget which is installed and the version is 1.20, but it's fine, but it's not accept it needs to be corrected over the testing side that this is the correct version. So overall all the 13 cases are passing. Then we'll verify the local. So let me open this is the repository, pipeline repository, and we have to verify the local over here. So it is performing the check and all the 15 cases are passing. So once this is done, now we'll start with the delivery pipeline demo. So the delivery, what is the delivery pipeline does is there is continuous building, verification and deployment of your changes into the production. So whatever the changes you do are once you build the changes, they are verified with the help of the various hooks which we can use in Git and then you can deploy it and also verify over there as well. So in this demo we'll be using three types of hooks, that is pre-commit, post-commit and post-receive. So I'll showcase these two hooks first. So that is pre-commit and post-commit. What is pre-commit? So the pre-commit is that kind of hook where you write the script which is triggered whenever you commit something. So hooks are basically those events which are triggered in response to certain types of events. So pre-commit will be, as per the name, it will be triggered whenever you commit such certain changes in your repository. So this will help a team to maintain certain types of checks. So whenever a developer is going to make certain changes in the repository, they have to go through these checks, and if it passes, then only it allows to commit, otherwise it won't allow you to commit. So over here there are certain checks which are done and it will allow me to commit only if these checks pass. I will and there is also one post commit. So what I have committed, what I have created in post commit is I have just written a script which will start a so it has a start command which will open a browser and basically open the Gmail, like it will hit the Gmail of my account. So let's quickly demo that. So this is my local repository pipeline, and inside the pipeline app it's a main.js. So I'll say hi from app local. I'll save it, and now I was inside the app. I'll go. So this hooks pre-commit and post-commit are over here. So I'll trigger those, and main.js is over here. So I'll git bash over here and say git status. So it will say that this is modified. So let's add that into my repo. Now I'll commit it. Stem. So after entering this command, there will be two things happening. First is the pre-commit hook, which will be triggered and execute the script, and secondly the post commit. So I have triggered. So the thing happened over here is my tests are passed. There were two tests performed and my tests are passed, and it allowed me to commit and post the commit. It created it opened the web browser and opened my Gmail. So this is regarding the pre-commit and the post-commit hook. The third one is the post-receive hook. So as I said, there is continuous deployment. So the changes which I made in the main.js was in my repository. Now I had also created one remote repository, which is a bare repository. So over here there is no code, but my changes in the local repository will be pushed to the production and it will be deployed over here. So the changes, I am not making changes over here, however it grabs the changes from this repository. So let's quickly demo that. So as I said, the changes come from, okay, I'm sorry. So I'll open this main.js for you. Okay, so I had this written as hi from app local, and over here there is local main.js. So now since I have added new changes and it's still not into the production, so once I try to push this into the production, the post receive hook will be triggered. The post receive hook is inside this git hooks. I have created a post receive hook, so it will trigger and push all my changes from the app to the remote repository, and it will start the server as well. So we can verify this by looking out for this command in the logs. So let's quickly demo that. So once I have committed the changes, I'll say git push prod master. So it says that push to production, and we'll also get a message of server started. Yeah, so it's start this and listening at this. So first let me, as I told you, the production main.js changes have been pushed, and see, as you can see, the two main.js are now same. And now let's test on the production if it's working. Yes, so my changes have been successfully deployed, and that is it about the delivery pipeline. Thank you.